Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. By the name of constant, mightyful, graceful, senseful, one and only Creator, Allah, I give lecture. How much special by? Thank you. Ya Alif Lam Nam Ha. Ya Allah Shafi, Allah Mafi, Allah Kafi. Anar Abdul Muhammad Shoel Shafi, Anar Abdul Muhammad Shoel Mafi, Anar Abdul Muhammad Shoel Kafi. The Shafi means cure. Kafi means enough. And Mafi means sorry. One and only Creator is enough for me, and one and only Creator cure me, and one and only Creator, Ya Allahu, forgive me. Anar Abdul Muhammad Shoel Shafi, Anar Abdul Muhammad Shoel Mafi, Anar Abdul Muhammad Shoel Kafi. Anar Abdullah, I am servant of Allah, creation of Allah. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Now science class lecture. What is science? Science is anything, any matter, any event, any problem, any occurrence can solve by logic, document, data, mathematical calculation with provement, with experiment. That is science. What is the branch of science? Main branch of science, creator science, creation science. In creator science, we mean creator real everything, and creation before creator. Before creation, who remain? One and only Creator remain. What sign remain? One and only Creator science remain. And one and only Creator science remain in one and only Creator real everything. For example, Creator time A to Z, Z to A. In creation time, that depend on Creator, not creation. For our understanding, Z to A, for creation purpose, Z to A, Creator real everything, Z to A to Z. Just understanding purpose. Now I am also simple creation of ALLAHU Sohel, representative of Muhammad Shoel Chaudhary, Muhammad Sohel or Sohel, or other name like my creation name, other my name. I am also simple creation of ALLAHU. My name or Sohel, or names like Shumon, Mon, or other name like MSCOO7, psychosocial, pastoral, psychopathic, or fit to soil, fitness soil. Fine. Just like that. Those are my friend supporters say. That is the reason. And my nomenclature or name. In case of creator names, like God, Ishwar, Bhagavan, Mahaprabhu, Khoda, Mabud, Ilah, Allah. As a Muslim, I say Allah. Creator other name like Rahman, Ghafur, Sattar, Jabbar, Khalik, Malik, Razzaq. Just like that. Ya Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim, Ya Jalil, Ya Jabbar, Ya Qahar, Ya Abu, Ya Fattar, Ya Nur, Ya Barru, Ya Samiu, Ya Basir, Ya Samad, Ya Ahad, Ya Ahad, Ya Samad, Ya Ahad, Ya Ahad, Ya Malakan Mulk, Ya Allah, Ya Juzal, Ya Allah. Like that. Al-Quran says 99 or more good name. That is the criteria of one and only Creator real everything. That is the criteria of one and only Creator real everything. And then one and only Creator loves real everything can remain in hiding format and 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 showing format or in front, hiding format and show. For example, if I hide my face, you can see me? No. Just like that. If I hide my face, you can see me? You can see me? No. Just like that. One and only Creator remain hiding in format and 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 hiding in format and those that believe one and only Creator follow the rules regulation of one and only Creator. When they remind Creator come in their front, in front of them. Just like that. Now my friend is about Creator science, remain in Creator real everything. Creation science, remain in creation everything. And in case of creation name like soil science, remain in soil everything, A to Z, Z to A, for understanding purpose. In case of Creator relativity, remain in Creator real everything. Creation relativity, name like soil soil relativity remain in soil everything for Z to A to Z, Z to A. That depend on soil energy. In case of for understanding purpose. In case of creator, creator real energy. Creator real relativity remain in creator real energy. Real real nur, real supreme nur, real life. That depend on creator is not creation. In case of soil relativity remain in soil creation like name. I am a simple creation of ALLAHU, my name soil. Soil relativity remain in soil life, soil cells, cellular component, DNA, codon, thinking, small thinking. And creator real creator relativity remain in creator real life, real cell, real cellular component, real DNA, real codon, real smallest thinking, real no. That depend on creator wish, not creation. And creator remain in creator relativity remain in creator real everything. In human dimension, creator real life, real cell, real cellular component, real hair follicle, real DNA, real codon, real thinking. Just like that. In case of you, your creation relativity, if you believe one and only creator, follow the rules regulation of one and only creator, then your relativity, for example, human relativity, human life, human cell, A to Z cell, then A to Z hair follicle, H to Z DNA, A to Z DNA, in Z DNA, Z nucleotide like codon, then Z nucleotide there is a codon, smallest thinking for understanding purpose. Creation relativity. In case of other creation, human, gene, angel, no sapiens, like that. In case of my MSA, like that. In case of creator loving creation, like that. In case of animal, like that. In case of tree, like that. In case of virus, bacteria, like that. In case of atom, whatever about atom. Atom have sense like virus, bacteria, plasmid. In case of bacteria, plasmid, virus, you know that envelope, DNA or RNA, like bacteria, plasmid or virus like DNA, RNA. In case of atom, no. Atom have atomic particle like electron, proton, neutron with atomic electron, proton, neutron. Also outer inner case, outer case. Inner case of atomic inner case is called atomic nucleus. Outer case. Outer case remain electron. Inner case remain neutron, proton. With atomic life for understanding purpose. For understanding purpose. Now, my friend and supporter, you give the light in clock, like light in clock. What happened? You give the light in clock, then light enter the clock. But if you like the metal, light give the metal. The metal is heat. We not see. What is the reason? That is the document evidence. The part of light, protonic energy, the part of light enter into in your watch, hand watch. Now you understand that then light energy can pass travel to the glass. If glass is more in glass, what remain? Fundamental unit or complex unit? Fundamental same type of atom. If glass is made up of same type of atom, that is called fundamental. If different type of atom, more than one type of atom, that is complex unit. Okay, fine. Now by that clock you know that quantum physics, the part of light energy enter into the body. If collect that part of light energy, you found the quantum physics, subatomic particle. That is, what is quantum physics? Quantum physics describe, elaborated about subatomic particle, and that is the experimental and understanding purpose. Quantum physics. What is quantum physics? Quantum physics is the branch of science elaborated about subatomic particle. How? From electron, from sun, there is a sunlight come, wave, you collect, give the sunlight in your watch, entry 1 to 1, and collect that light wave or light energy, you found that the subatomic particle. That subatomic particle describe elaborated about quantum physics. How much length? For another 100 to 1000 nanometer, or 400 to more or less, equal more or less, for example 100 to, for example, equal more or less 100 to 1000 nanometer. That is quantum physics, and describe elaborated about subatomic particle. If you collect that light energy, you found the subatomic particle. You break down, no need to break down the electron for understanding purpose. You can easily understand that. Thank you very much, my friend and supporter. Today is enough from science class. The summary is we describe about creator relativity, also creation relativity, also my as a creation, my name Sohel relativity, also creation like human relativity. Also we describe elaborative about quantum physics. Thank you very much, my friend and supporter. Today is enough from science class.